Hey there digital friends, and welcome back to a new video. In this video you're going to see the unboxing and the review of the Motorola Pace 120 earphones. So it was priced around 330 rupees in Flipkart, and you can see at this price we are getting a 10mm drivers. So the sound quality will be actually good through these earphones. So let's unbox it now. So this is how the box looks. So let's remove the seal. So as you can see, we get the earphones first. I have to say initial impressions are really good because we get the tangle free cable here. So we get the user manual, user guide, and the extra ear tips. So let's keep this aside and let's see the earphones. So here are the Pace 120 earphones. As you can see, the design is really cool, I have to say. So here is the mic and the volume buttons. We have to slide the buttons to increase the volume and decrease the volumes, and here is the call button to accept it, play or pause button. So cable is really good, it has a texture like finish. So this is how the cable is. I have to say the cable is very strong, hence you will be getting more life with these earphones. I got these earphones from the Motorola India fans page. If you are a Motorola lover and if you want to get the latest updates, rumors and exclusive news about Motorola mobiles and etc., follow the Motorola India fans Facebook and Twitter pages. You can follow from the link in the description below. So let's start the review, guys. So here is the earphones, and the first thing that we notice when we see the earphones is the cable. I have to really say the cable is really good. The cable seems very durable and it feels like a premium for this price range. And next thing is that the earphones are made with plastic, as we are getting from 330 rupees, I have to say, which is good. So next thing we can see is the mic here. The mic quality is good, and with the mic we also get the multifunction switch. So single tap to pause or play, the double tap to go to the next track, and triple tap for the previous track, and hold for 2 to 3 seconds to activate the assistant. And we also get the volume slider to increase or decrease the volume from here itself. So regarding the quality, I have to say the audio quality is really good, as we are getting a 10mm drivers for this price range. The bass is also good, as we won't get over bass from these earphones. So when coming to the fit, I have to say the fit is not good for me. It's like the audio is leaking from somewhere. It's not fully closing the ear canal, but the audio quality is very good with these earphones. So when considering this price range of 330 rupees, I can say you can go and buy these earphones due to the audio quality and the durability of these earphones. These earphones also support Amazon Alexa assistant, which I will show you how to set up and how to access that assistant in my Moto G7. Install the Verb Live app from the link in the description below. After installing, sign in with your Amazon account and then click on Add Devices and choose the Motorola Pace 120. There are so many earphones available in Motorola and other companies. You can select according to your earphones. So now let's connect the Pace 120 and set up the Amazon Alexa. Give the necessary permissions. Now let's test this Alexa from the earphones. Alexa, how is the weather? Alexa, how is the weather?
In Vishakhapatnam, it's 31 degrees Celsius with cloudy skies. Tonight, you can expect showers, with a low of 26 degrees.
This is how the Alexa works. Thank you for watching this video guys and subscribe.